This is really beginner friendly, but all you have to do is practice, guys. You have to practice. There's no to worry about it. And then another thing you need to keep in mind is blend. Makeup is all about blending, all about blending. Keep in mind, blend. That is what we live and breathe by. That is what we preach. Let's get into this video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chamaka Okebo. If you're joining us for the first time, you are very much welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. So today I will be bringing you makeup. You know, basic foundation routine, flawless victory, how to do your foundation, and also draw your brows. So when you want to do your makeup, you have to first start by cleaning your face, right? So I'm going to be using the Micellar cleaning water from Granier. You can use any Micellar water, it's fine. I'm going to be showing you the product I'm using. However, I'm using my front cam, so it's going to be reversed and whatever. I don't know. So this is Granier Micellar water. The pink one is what I'm using. So it's pretty straightforward. You just want to clean your face. No matter, even if you've just had your bath, you really want to clean your face. Before you start anything, you really want to wash your hands because a lot of things you're going to be doing will be with your hands. Next is you moisturize and you prime your face. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte. You prime your T-zone. Then you apply this in a circular motion. Using the Loreal True Match. Yes, this is in mahogany. I don't know if you can see it. It's really dark because I'm dark skinned. We're going to be taking a brush and applying it. So you want to work in batches, right? You want to work in batches. I feel like this is just perfect for my skin tone, like perfect. Because it's not like I'm going for a wedding or an event, so this is just okay. So blend. What you want to do while blending is you want to push it in. So I see a lot of people doing their makeup and then they end up dragging. No guys, you just want to blend, like push it in. So I'm just going to do the same. Don't pack a lot. Depends on where you're going, but I don't want to pack a lot. I've been wondering if this is darker than my skin. No, it isn't. This is it. Can you see? I wanted my exact skin tone. I wanted to match with my neck. So another thing you need to understand is depending on the foundation that you're using, some foundations are oxidizing foundation. What I mean by oxidizing is when you apply it on your face, it becomes darker as oxygen touches it, as it reacts with oxygen. Oh my god. Yeah. It becomes darker as it reacts with oxygen, so you just have to know that. You have to know what type you're using. Can you see this? how flawless can your foundation be. So I'm gonna do this off camera. One thing you want to do when you're doing your foundation is you should pay attention to all inner corners, right? And here, most times a lot of people forget to apply their foundation here. So you could just go back to all those places and blend them in. Yeah. And don't forget under your jaw, you want to drag it. You want to see that demarcation that liquid is here, hair is dry. No, you want to blend everything in. Flawless victory is what we. So you see with this, can you see that? Can you see that? This is perfect. This is okay. However, as personal preference, oh my god. As personal preference, I like to go in with beauty blender. This is from, I keep forgetting, Real Technique. Yeah, I'm a Real Technique lover. Like their brushes and oh god, if you have the money, just purchase it. So this you want to go in, dab section by section, which just makes it sit well into your skin. Like that. So now let's take a look again. Flawless victory. The foundation on my face, you can see how flawless it is. It's not a full coverage foundation, it's just a very medium light foundation. Yeah, so that's it for that. So make sure you let your face dry before applying your powder. But as you can see, this is us, you know, yeah. So I am gonna apply powder in circular motion. This powder is from Crayolan Professional. So yes guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please do not forget, everything about makeup is about blending. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and practice is very important. Practice, let me know your struggles, and I will just tell you what you're doing wrong or what you need to do better. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. My name is Chiamaka. Have a lovely day.